Hi there, welcome to another Vibe Code Wiki video where I document my vibe coding expeditions, discoveries, hassle, no edits. And in this video, I'll talk about a relevant opportunity, basically getting a pro subscription on Canva for 3 months, relevant for those who want to, explore content creation and even automate it. That's the era we're in, especially now with AI. But even better off, because Canva content is not, quite AI. It's more realistic content. So, you can pass for non-AI content if that's the route you want to take. So I found this, and it really it works. So I am Smart ZY on X has this post Canva Pro for 3 months. Now, it may be first come, first serve. I don't know the mechanics of it, so you may want to act fast. I did this hours ago and it worked. So you go to this link, which I'll put in the description, and then you use eNation to redeem. Okay, so I've redeemed already. So after you've logged in with your email, whichever, or even your existing Canva, if you don't have Canva yet, then you would find a billing area that requires you to enter your a code. Let me see if I can, simulate it. Although I would not participate, but because I have already. So let's use another email. No payment, by the way. So you put eNation here. Redeem. Let me just redeem. Although it's going to be excessive, but let me just redeem for the sake of the tutorial. So redeem my coupon. Wow, it didn't work. So I don't know. Maybe it's IP situation. I'm not very sure. It may still work at your end, so I'll still put it out there. This could be, I'm using this. I use this browser to redeem, so maybe there is some cookie or, caching situation there. So, or it has expired. All the same, I would just put it out there so you can check it out. Now, the reason that this video will still be relevant is because I'll show you some other things that you'll be able to do with your Canva, assuming you have a pro account. Of course, you can do this also with a regular Canva account. It's just that with a pro account, you have access to more media. Okay, so just to show that I was able to get it, this is my, this was what I used to get it. So you see, pro trial till August 17th, so it's 3 months. Now, because it's pro, when you are creating, you'll be able to explore Canva fully. So creating media, social media content, carousels, even videos, there are some gated media. You'll be able to access them, creating your resumes using the most highly sophisticated media. You'll be able to access all that for free on the basis of a pro account. Of course, you can, it has AI, Canva AI print shop if you want to do print on demand. So within the 3 months, there's a lot you can do. If you have a store on Etsy or whatever, you can explore this, create content, fill it up there. Perhaps one-time effort, branding for your companies and all that. There's just a lot you can do, including social media content. So on the likes of TikTok, carousels are prominent there. Carousels, this is an example of a carousel. Slideshows, but of sophisticated level. Video content as well. More realistic video than just AI automated videos. Then there is apps. And I mean, you know what Canva can do. So let's leave that. Let's assume that you, then if you want to make the most of Canva, you can use the likes of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has something called connectors. If you come here more, you would, you can go apps. You can go to apps, but I've added Canva already. So this is Canva. How about an inspirational quote? I need a poster for our online store. Make an Instagram post about breathtaking. So let me just click on this. Confirm. So basically, your chat GPT will be able to create the content. You'll receive it right inside this chat area. You can download it. So if you wanted to create, like say 30 days of content, you simply connect your Canva Pro to it and it will be able to access all that media. And of course, you can tweak it how you want within this chat area. I think it's better than using Canva AI, more enhanced. Then you can automate this content and distribute it across multiple platforms using a tool called Blotato, which I've tested out. So I've tested this tool out for 1 month, and perhaps the most powerful tool if you want to go into content automation. So I'll feature it. I just checked that my account has expired, my subscription, but it's affordable for what you get in reality. So I paid for it to test it for 1 month. And it's just seamless. No other tool like it, because, for example, TikTok, you wouldn't need to have a developer account. You connect your TikTok here, your Facebook, LinkedIn, and then you set it up. Once you have gathered, like say 30 days of content using ChatGPT, you set it up and it will automate the content for you. And I've realized that content coming out from Blotato API, they gain natural traction. I believe they are trusted by the likes of TikTok. So much of my experiment was on TikTok. I explored carousel, not videos for a start. I wanted to keep it simple. So I explored carousel, and this is how my profile is looking. So looking here, you'll see I experimented with different formats. So you see 1,000, 1,300, 500, 490, 1,000, and all that. So this is using Blotato to automate the entire process, 1,800. Now this you can also offer as a service. Imagine you have a running channel such as this. This is already leverage when you are contacting people that, okay, you can automate their channels for them and all that. So this Canva can lead you there. You experiment, automate content on your TikTok, for example, get it to this stage. I believe Blotato has an impact on views, especially when it comes to auto-scheduled content. It does have an impact based on my experiment. So if you have a channel such as this, you can already pitch to people to perform and manage your social media or set up automation for them. And now with Canva, you'll also be able to do videos. So it wouldn't be complex at all. So let's look at the creation here. ChatGPT option 1. Okay, so I don't even know what I told it to do, but it created this. It should be able to do videos as well, because on Canva, you can also create videos. So this is an example of video. This is a video. Okay, so stuff like that. Bringing us to the end of this video. I've been building for a long time. I've not done content, but I'm gradually coming back. I just decided to do this. Perhaps it will be relevant to someone, out there. Hopefully the Canva subscription works, but if it doesn't, you can still improvise with a free account. Now, I also use Zoho Computer. For those who don't have I don't know ChatGPT and Canva if it works on a free account, but you can also use Zoho. Zoho is like an advanced version of, it's basically an AI agent with its own computer, and you can use it for free. And it also has hosting, everything in one place. So once you have this, you are ready to build. You can also automate actions using this. So I don't know if it has a Canva plugin, but an AI agent with a computer can manage everything that you do, because it has its own computer, its own email, phone number, and all that. So let me just show you a preview of this, and then we will end the video. If you're using a free account on Zoho, it's going to be sleeping like this. So you have to restart it if you are idle for a period. But upgraded, it's a very good deal because the PC your agent has is very huge. So if you want to run experiments, those open source GitHubs of interest, and you don't want to risk your PC and all that, you want to run any automation, and you just have one big computer to use to run them that will not lag and all that. So then if you are building apps and all that, you have hosting already. So you'll be able to see what your agent has built. And you'd also be able to deploy it in a live environment without looking for third-party hosting, all in one place. So this is a good deal, and you can use it for free. Don't forget to subscribe to Vibe Code Wiki. Soonest, I'll start sharing all the things I've been building. I'm building like 100 apps. So it's taking some time. Let's just improvise. If it doesn't display, we'll end the video. Oh, same state. So this is how it's looking. All the, your favorite tools you can incorporate here. All the skills are already here. So your agent can do practically everything. Okay. Super memory, humanizer, you want your content to be humanized, you want to create automation, your GitHub, you want it to push to your GitHub directly, research, everything is already here. Hosting, if you build an application, you can already host it here. Just a lot that you can do with this. And for free, many of the top models are here as well. So explore it. Bringing us to the end of this video. Subscribe to Vibe Code Wiki, and other information will be in the description, including avenues to reach me. Stay awesome.